Welcome back. I'm Suresh Machu from Machu Tattoos. So today the topic is which is the best tattoo ink and what are all the ingredients are there in the tattoo ink. Yes, this is one of the questions asked by my clients. So let's get into the topic and we'll be talk about briefly. So many of the clients think that tattoo inks are same. All the brands, all the studios which they are using is same. No. Tattoo inks are completely different from each and every brands, and what and all the pigments in there and how they are making up pigments, what's carriers in this, it's all varies. So it's all very important for you to get the best output. So you need to understand the science behind the tattoo inks and you need to clearly know which is the best tattoo ink. Let's get into the topic now. So in our traditional tattooing method, we might have seen in India lot of traditional tattooing methods, ink which they are using on the roadside and everywhere near the temples and all. You might have seen the tattoo turns as a green in color because they use pigment as carbons. They burn the paper and they use it, or they burn the wood and they'll be use it, and they'll be use a carrier as urine. Yes, they use that as a carrier. So that is how they make the ink and they do the tattoo. But don't worry, it may sound a little weird for you, but nowadays it's all changed a lot. Inks are got a lot of development, but in nowadays also many of the companies using heavy metals on their inks due to the production cost and making a production cost less. Many of them using it. So I'll break down what are all the pigments and carriers involving in this tattoo ink. So nowadays the inks qualities from the brands, it varies three types. One is heavy metal pigment ink and non-vegan inks and vegan organic inks. And I'm going to explain you what and all these inks and how it's going to react in your skin. So now, heavy metal pigment ink. So when it comes to this ink, many of the brands, mostly Asian brands, do these methods. To prepare this kind of inks, they'll be use the heavy metals called dioxides, phosphorus, or lithium to bring the various colors in the inks. Why? Because they are using it to prepare the ink much more lesser cost. For all the artists can adapt it. So that's how this works, and this will react in your skin badly. Yes, this may turn color varies in the futures and the chance of looking fade very quickly. So we all needs to keep in mind when your artist is going to do this kind of inks. And the next step is non-vegan inks. Actually, this inks sounds a little weird, right? Yes. But this inks majorly, they won't use much heavy metals, but in this inks they'll be use the animal bones, animal fat cells, and like liver oils, all those things to prepare this pigment as a carrier. So when they do it, then if the people allergic for these fatting cells as well as the pigments, then it will be cause the severe infections in the future on the skin. So this also needs to be understandable. Then the third type of ink is called vegan organic inks. These inks majorly done by the vegetable oils. So they'll be use the vegetables, glycerins and vegetable some oils, veg oils they'll be prepared. We also knows the ice creams which is come from the natural oils and the vegetable oils. So the same way this ink also works. So they'll be use this vegetable oil as a pigment and the carrier they'll be used as a glycerin. So commonly if you are taking some tattoo inks, that on the glycerin will be available and the denatured alcohol will be available, and some other alcohol which is comes on the cosmetics and which is completely friendly for the skin. So these are all the major ingredients of all the inks. But what's the pigment, how the pigment made for the tattoo ink is very important, we need to understand. So these are all the three type of inks, and you need to be aware of before getting a tattoo done which type of ink you are going to get it done. And I highly recommend Quantum Tattoo ink, which has a completely organ and vegan certified, that third category ink. So this is the best one to be go ahead. In our studios we are using that, and I'll make a separate review for that particular ink. You guys can watch that. I'll be show that bottle and what and all the ingredients in that. I'll show all the things in that video. But as of now, these are all the major ingredients and the components is available in the tattoo ink which you all needs to know. Don't die nude.